Good morning, everyone. So, yesterday we did half of the portion. So, today onwards we'll start other topic. So, listen carefully. So, yesterday we did postal services, telegraph, that comes in personal communications. So, in same, the telephone, smartphone, fax, and computer still comes in personal communications. So I'm going to read the telephone. Alexander Graham Bell, a Scottish scientist, invented the telephone in 1876. Telephone enabled us to speak to anyone on the other side of the earth just by dialing the correct number. STD, so full form of STD is subscriber trunk dialing, and ISD, full form of ISD is international subscriber dialing. Facilities have made it possible to speak a person anywhere in the world. So after the postal service or telegraph, so telephone was invented. Understand? And it was invented in 1876. So you just count it. Today you are now in 2021 and minus 1876. You will get the actual year before, okay, before that year it was invented. So it was invented by the Alexander Graham Bell, was a Scottish scientist. Understand? So that telephone still are using in offices, many of the buildings, many of the office workers, they are still using. Okay, that is for a personal. Many of the schools are still using. Okay, so we can talk to other person. It means what? It means we can communicate to other peoples, we can share our views, ideas, we can give informations, or we can receive whatever they are replying us. So through it we can deliver our message, or we can receive the messages. Understand? So but it should be remind to number should be correct. If we are if one number is missing, means it will go to the other person, or it will not reachable. If we have to talk to particular person, it means we have to rectify it. So if the number is correct or not, if the number is not correct, means we cannot talk to him or her, or we cannot get the information what we want. So number should be correct, and through this, one is STD and another one is ISD. STD means subscriber trunk dialing, and ISD means international subscriber dialing. Facilities have made it possible to speak a person anywhere in the world. Yes, still if I am sitting here or there, it's not matter. Okay, but the matter is what? How I am going to communicate with you. Okay, through what? Through any of the electronic gadgets. Okay, this is called a media. Nowadays cellular phone or mobile phone enable us to make and receive calls at any time, anywhere. We can send and receive short message service, that is called SMS, through mobile phones. So here mobile phone is a you just imagine, without mobile phone or without smartphone we cannot do anything. It means it is everything. It is everything. So without mobile phone we cannot do every work. Smartphone like iPhone can be used to call, share music files, photographs, and receive and send emails. So through these phones we can send any of the messages, files, photographs, or receives any of the photos, files, or calls, or we can call video call also. Okay. Fax, facsimile or fax is used to send written or printed messages or photographs over telephone lines. Fax is generally used to send documents like letters, reports, photographs, news, and stories. So another communication is personal communication is facsimile or fax. That is the handwritten or the written. It is we can print it. Okay, we can print through this fax, or we can send photographs or any of the documents through this fax. Another one is computer. Computer is the latest popular means of communication. It was invented by Charles Babbage. Everybody knows what is computer or who was invented. This computer also gives many informations. Through this we can share our views, our ideas, our informations, or more. We can send or receive. But in computer we cannot, if we compare smartphone and computers, we cannot take computer with us. It is difficult to carry with us. Okay, or we cannot talk video call in the computers. Okay, it was not given facilities. In laptop we can, or in smartphone we can. Computers are used to receive and send messages through email. Internet is a network that links millions of computers all over the world. We can get any information related to any of the subject on the internet. So computers can we can receive or send messages, okay, through email. Also, internet is a network that links millions of computers over the world. So if we have a smartphone but we cannot have internet, so without internet we cannot functions, we cannot find out any of the informations. Okay, so internet also is a link. So millions of peoples, they are using internet. So class, tomorrow onwards we will start mass communication. For today this much only. Thank you. Go through these chapters all.